Hello students, today we are going to start a new topic called sets. If you want to learn the differential calculus, then you have to master the set. So this is our first class, very basic class, and we will start from the beginning in the sets from the symbol. First question is, what is set? So in mathematics, set is basically a collection of alphabets, collection of things, basically a collection. It can be of anything. Set represented by the curly bracket sign. These the opening part, and this is the closing. And inside the curly brackets, elements are there. So elements can be anything. For example, I consider the elements to be alphabet A, comma B, comma C, comma D. It can be infinite as well as finite. It can be the name of my friends. For example, Ram, Shohan, like this, Pinky, like this. So set is a collection, and there's one more property called the uniqueness in the set. Set elements are unique. You cannot create the another element same as the element present in the sets. This is very important. You have to remember this one. Even if you are doing the programming languages, then inside that we make the set. So the computer automatically eliminate the duplicate variables, duplicate things. So each of the element in the set is unique. Symbols in set. Set have these type of symbols used. Set theory. So set symbol is the curly bracket, but there are various symbols used for making expressions. For example, A is a subset of B, A belongs to B, A does not belongs to B, such that this sign. So we are going to discuss all these sign gradually. Now there is a small question from you. If A is this set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, it means collection of the numbers. Then you have to fill the appropriate symbol among the previous symbols. So before starting, we have to understand the meaning of the symbol. The first symbol we have covered, like this is the opening and the closing part of the set. But the second part, that is a belongs to, it represent that whether a thing is belong to inside the set or not. For example, here I take a set A is equal to 1, 2, 3. And if I want to write 2 and A, then here I will write belongs to. This symbol, this is not an alphabet, belongs to sign, belongs to. It means the left side. This is 2 belongs to A, or we can say that 2 is present in A. 2 belongs to A. Its mean is belongs to. So 4 belongs to A. But -4 does not belongs to A. So you will make belongs to sign and then cut it. Is 12 belongs to A? No. Cut it. 9 belongs to A? Yes. 0 belongs to A? Yes. -2 belongs to A? No. Done? Some inbuilt set. So we have to cover some predefined sets in mathematics which the mathematician have defined, so that we cannot change or hide those elements. The name, for example, I take a natural number set. Natural number. The symbol is represented by, first of all, you will make n, normal n, and then double the internal lines, only this line n. In your book, it will be represented like this in black color. Let me show you. First of all, make n and then highlight the second line. So in your book, it will be represented like this, I think. So we have to make double line inside it. So all the symbols like real numbers and rational number, integers are represented differently. So natural numbers start from 1, 2, 3, like curly braces, 1, 2, 3, 4, up to infinite. It is not starting from the 0. Second one, natural number, and then integers. Integers are represented by this Z sign. So you will make like this Z. So integers can be negative, but natural numbers cannot be negative. So I am coming from the left side, then -3, -2, -1, 0, and then 0, 1, 2, 3. So here the dot dot sign represent that the set is infinite. Mostly you will represent only 3 dots. Three are sufficient to show that it is infinite. For understanding, I was trying to make that it contain a lot of element, but you have to make only 3 dots. Integers, and then positive integers, positive integers, Z positive, negative integers, Z negative. So positive integers start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You also have to include 0, or it is going to be infinite. Negative integers will be start from infinite and it will go till negative of 1, negative 2, negative 1, like this. We also have a real numbers. Real numbers contain all type of numbers from infinity, like dot dot dot. It can be anything, -3, minus k 2.9, and minus k 2, minus k 1, 0, 1, 1.2, 1.3, dot dot. Every number lie on the real number is available except the irrational numbers. So real numbers also divided into two portion, that is the positive real numbers and the negative real number. Here you can see that I am making different RR sign. So as we move further, we will see all of the sets encountered in our theory. So if you are making notes, then please pause the video and make notes. It will help you to memorize all the things very quickly if you are making notes right now. Done. Can we move ahead? So let us meet in the next video.